And the next big thing related to this is Yellen's speech on Friday. But before that, quite a busy day today, the first day of the month, after we had some figures from China, for example, the manufacturing PMIs. It's manufacturing PMI day, the first day of the month elsewhere as well. Before that, just after the show, we have German unemployment at 8:55 GMT, and then we have UK manufacturing PMI day at 9:30. It's the first out of 3 PMIs. The most important one is services on Friday. More for the Eurozone, German inflation is published during the day from the various German states, but the big figure comes out at 1 GMT. Then we have also US inflation, okay? Not the official CPI, but the Fed's favorite inflation figure has a big impact on the rate decision. It's called the core PCE price index, a mouthful. Together with that, we have also spending report, personal spending, personal income. Another top-tier figure comes out at 3 GMT. That's the manufacturing PMI. Okay, the ISM manufacturing PMI. Manufacturing is a small sector, but it has a lot of importance, also due to Trump's focus on manufacturing jobs. It's the first hint for the non-farm payrolls. And this month, non-farm payrolls are released only next week, okay? So we have the longest possible buildup. At 3 GMT today, we also have the Bank of Canada's rate decision. No changes expected from the guys at Ottawa, Stephen Pelosi and his colleagues. It's probably keeping the ship steady at 0.5% interest rate over there in Canada. Again, we talked last time, if you can watch that segment, but the Canadian dollar is looking for a new direction. If the Bank of Canada will do something, I believe they'll cut interest rates, but they prefer, like most central banks, not doing anything. If you're trading the Canadian dollar, watch out also for crude oil inventories, as always, every Wednesday. So that's a strong start to the month, but tomorrow is also quite busy. The UK construction PMI is second out of 3. For the euro, we'll talk about the euro more later on in detail, but inflation figures are, of course, critical for the ECB's rate decision. Will it be lower this time? A lot depends on what we have from Germany later on, but at least the initial figures from Italy, Spain, and France from France and Spain were a bit disappointing. From Italy, they actually surprised the upside. Last time we just had a big jump. A lot depends on the figure coming out today from Germany. If you're trading the loonie, the party continues with Canadian GDP tomorrow at 1:30, and as usual, jobless claims from the United States of America. And Friday, we do have hints for the non-farm payrolls, but no non-farm payrolls. The UK services PMI, then the ISM non-manufacturing PMI, and a speech by Fed Chair Janet Yellen. Okay, so if Bill Dudley is number 3, Stanley Fischer is number 2, Williams, a very hawkish member, is not in the top 3. Yellen is, of course, number 1. So traders will stay on the edge at the very end of the trading week. It will not be a boring end to the week. Okay, so this concludes our upcoming events for, the first days of March.
Welcome to a market to end all markets. Welcome to FxPro.